Hey there, I'm up at the future water intake. Yesterday I was getting 200 meters of 50mm pipe, which is very good. I wasn't expecting to get that so fast. Today I want to be planning where exactly I will take the pipe, since everything's forest here. I need to know exactly where I want the pipe to be, otherwise I will run into issues if I, for example, go on the right side of that tree and later on I notice, oh damn, the left side would have been better. I have to cut the tree to change the line, or I have to pull it all the way down and back up again. That's why I got this tape. I will run this first to see if I like it or not, and if I don't like it, at some point I can just rip it apart and connect it back together at a different location. So that will be my plan for today, and probably in the next video I will then place that pipe. I first have to unroll it. I need help for that, and then I get a helper and pull it all the way down to the river. I'm now maybe 30 meters down. I was running this rope, this string, plastic string, around trees, because I was thinking maybe it's they might act as anchor points, but I think I'm making things more complicated, because I might be producing some low points in it, because in between the trees the pipe will always tend to go downhill. So I'm thinking, even though I need more pipe, I might just go exactly where the water flows. I have more space there. I have some big rocks from time to time where I can mount some anchor points. It's not as easy to mount as mounting it at a tree, but I think I will be more flexible. There comes only this section where it gets very steep. I need to find some way around it, because I'm scared the pipe might kink there. But other than that, I think the creek bed, I call it the creek bed, I don't know, is probably the best option to run the pipe. So I go back, do it again. I'm back down at the river. I was going a little back and forth with my decision if I want to put the pipe right where the water runs or choose another way. Turns out I found an old path where I think they pulled some wood out of the woods, some trees out of the woods, and this is relatively flat. You can easily walk on it, and it goes on the right side of this creek, small river, all the time. So I will be taking this. I am now down at the river, as you can see, the big river, and my turbine will be placed round about here. When you saw my last video, I was doing some calculations there with a plan to first establish stage 1, which would be up there, and then go to sea. But it turns out I got the pipe in 200 meter length, which is more than I need to get to point C, where I'm standing now. And as you might see here, this is my outside toilet. I was estimating 150 meters to my house. I think it's much less. I think I can make it with less than 100 to the charge controller. So it's not even that much cable, and that means forget about stage 1. We're going for stage 2, and I think in the long run I will save a lot of time and effort, because if I first establish it up there, then extend it down here, pull cables through the woods, this has to end at some point, and this is definitely the best spot, so let's do it right now. I was clearing all that path up there, so I will take you in fast forward and we'll meet maybe in the middle. Now we're at the middle roundabout. You see my mansion up there. Here's my toilet. And I'll run the cable from here right to that corner and then into the house. And I will go on this path now and end up there. I'm back up. You saw me coming all the way from that side. Since I'm taking this path, and this point right here is a little bit above my planned water intake, I'm taking it a little bit further. I was planning 160 meters. I bought 200, so I can easily extend it all the way up there, so I don't have a low point in here where silt or air and stuff like that might be collected. So I think that's it for today. It's all set. I know where the pipe should be going. Next up I will straighten these out, probably get a helper for that. I think I will just attach it to that tree right there, attach it to the car, pull it into this direction, and then first do the first section over there, down there. We'll see. Okay, thank you. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you like. That would help a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.